Okay, Scott, here's the panel. Put some light on it. What we've got going on here? We've got that guy right there. That one has peaked, it's spidered. There's a chip off the top, but if you can flatten it down, I'll touch it up. This mess here, also the paint's already damaged, so obviously you can't do that, but if you could get it flat, that would be great. And then down along the rocker, see if I can get, we've just got several right there, there, there. I think you can see those there, you know, see the aberration. And that is basically the entirety of it. There's one smaller one right there too. So I'll have this, I'm de-stickering the car right now, but I'll have all that cleaned up before you get here.